up? It's Demi and back here again. In today's video, we will be going over the external section and the sound library. First up is the audio unit extensions. In order for this, you need to install an app from the App Store. Here is Interapp Audio, where you can use apps that you have for like audios, like metronomes or Anytune Pro or Pro Metronome. Here's the sound library. This is where you can download cool sounds. For example, I have this one downloaded, Toy Box. Let's go preview and let's put our volume up. And if we go here to live loops, we can go to the Toy Box and we have everything here. And you can just scroll to like see if you want the farms. Like these are all the farms. And then here you can have fun with these. Like now let's stop this, go back to the beginning, and let's choose. And let's make a beat. So let's go back to the menu and let's choose Beat Masher. Now let's make a beat. So let's have this one. And now we can just record this. Now we have the recorded, so if we just play. Let's go back to our song, and now we have it here. So now let's just delete these. If it will let me delete. And now let's go back to the menu. And here, and so we've just discussed all of these sections. In the next video, we will be making a keyboard song with the keyboard. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye!